Hello, survivalist. So I got posed a question from my alliance mate about the value of upgrading all your troops to whatever tier you're at, or just upgrading some of them. Because for me, I upgrade all troops with the exceptions of tier 1 and tier 2. So, me thinking, is it worth upgrading all of them? Or is, the way I go, a better bang for your buck? So I went straight to the numbers. I pulled the detailed stats of all members based off of health, attack, defense, and lethality. So I pushed them over to Excel. So with the base value of being able to upgrade 280 in one shot, that's between all three disciplines, infantry, hunters, and riders. So I just dropped that number down. 70, 70, 70, 23, 23, 23 will give you 280. Or a total, 93 of both their categories, which is giving you total upgrade, if you want to call it that. Or the 216 tier 5 new created, fresh out of the box, unzipped, fully automated. So this is where this might look a little nuts, but here is their base values from tier 1, tier 2, then from tier 5 to tier 10. I did that across between infantry, hunters, and riders. This next value is the number count multiplied by their values. The tier 5, this one's the exception. I did this off of brand new. So this right here is the value of, fresh out of the box training. Because it comes in conjunctions with with the no upgrade, meaning tier 1, tier 2, you leave them the same, and you cut out of the box, new guys. So remember I told you this was the new value based off of that 72. And then here is the old values added. Those three up together. So this is your health of your infantry with no upgrades, which is 1300. Now, if you were to upgrade all of them, which is 93, that's this value, 93 times 6. Wait, is that right? Yeah, 93 times 10, which is the base value of the tier 5. So right there, you already have a health advantage from not upgrading your tier 1 and tier 2. So this is the philosophy I applied, or this is the method I applied to all the stats right here. And then we're going to get down to the difference. So the difference is the no upgrade, which is the top value, versus minus the upgrade all, and you stick with that going all the way down to tier 10. So as you can see across the board, for infantry, your health is going to stay positive the entire time. After you hit tier 6, you start losing values in your attack and lethality. And it's the inverse between your, who are these? Hunters. The hunters is the inverse of it. It's the opposites. You lose health, you lose defense. And then your riders stay true and true all the way up until tier 9, tier 10, where it's actually negative for these ones. But these values held pretty good for the most part. And then I did a grand total of all health. Across the board, your no upgrade, you have positive values. Now my question I'm asking for you survivalist is, does the math add up to saying don't upgrade tier 1, tier 2, or do I still upgrade them? Thanks for watching, and I'm looking for your comments.